Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video we'll discover the disable in the input element settings. Alright, we have an input field, in this instance a text field, and click on the configuration. We'll head over to interactivity and we have the disable option. What this will do is disable your input. So if for some reason you want your input to be disabled, just to show data, not to be able to write data on it, you'll click the disable and it will disable the element, and you have this option on all inputs. For instance, if we'll add a new input, say email, and we'll head over to the interactivity here and we'll disable it, it will be disabled as well. So let's just take a look. Let's add another text field, put it over here. We'll save this. Let's preview. These are my disabled elements. I cannot click them, and this one is not disabled. So you can map data back from Salesforce into a disabled element, and no one will be able to touch the value on that element. And this is how it's done.